day-to-day life, how you have to utilize the linear equation in two variable, that you have to try to understand in the exercise practice set 1.5. First example, day-to-day life, how you have to utilize the linear equation, how you have to implement the linear equation, that you have to see. Practice set 1.5, first example is two numbers are differ by 3 and the sum of twice the smallest number and thrice the greatest number is 90. The sum means addition, difference means subtraction, differ means subtraction, sum means addition. So here what is given, that you have to see two numbers are differ by 3. If two numbers will differ by 3, difference means one number will be bigger and another number will be smaller. While if you will solve this type of example, at that time you have to consider the bigger number and smaller number. If difference is 3, at that time one number is bigger and another number is smaller. So I will consider, let the biggest number will be x and the smallest number will be y. And what is the first condition? This is the first condition. Two numbers are differ by 3. This is the first condition. So you have to implement this condition. If biggest number is x, smallest number is y, from condition first you have to say that the two numbers are differ by 3, means bigger number minus smaller number is equal to 3. Means x minus y is equal to 3. You have to consider this as equation 1. Then second condition is also given. Whatever be the remaining example is the second condition. Second condition is that sum of the twice, sum means addition, twice the smallest number. Twice the smallest number means 2 times smallest number. Sum means addition. That's why you have to say that this is plus. So I will say that the sum of twice the smallest number and thrice the greatest number is 19. Means I will say that, I will read this condition as sum of twice the smallest number and thrice the greatest number is 19. Is means is equal to. What I am saying, that you have to try to understand, implement as it is the condition in the equation. I will say that sum of twice the smallest number and thrice the greatest number is 19. Means 2y plus 3x is equal to 19. You have to say that, you have to rearrange this equation, x plus after y, 3x plus 2y is equal to 19. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. So once we will frame the equation, at that time it is very easy to solve the equation by elimination. So you have to see that you have to equate one of the variable. So I will say that here 2y is there. So equate the coefficients of y. So you have to multiply equation 1 by 2, equation 1 by 2 and equation 2 by 1. At that time I will say that equation 1 multiplied by 2 plus equation 2 multiplied by 1. At that time this equation will form 2x minus 2y is equal to 6. And this equation, if we will multiply both sides by 1, at that time as it is this equation will come 3x plus 2y is equal to 19. You have to, when we will add this equation, at that time this is the same term having opposite sign. You have to strike this 2y. At that time 3x plus 2x is equal to 5x is equal to 6 plus 19 is equal to 25. X is equal to 25 upon 5. X is equal to 5. You have to put this x is equal to 5 in equation 1. X is equal to 5 in equation 1. Equation 1 is x minus y is equal to 3. 5 minus y is equal to 3. 5 minus, you have to transpose this 3 in this side, minus y that side. At that time 5 minus 3 is equal to y. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2 will come. And y is equal to, that's why 2. So this is the value of x. X is equal to 5. And this is the value of y. Y is equal to 2. So this is biggest number. So I will say that biggest number is equal to x. Biggest number is equal to x. X is equal to 5 you have to write. Smallest number is equal to y. You have to write this as 2. And from that we will get the biggest number and smallest number. Means you have to frame the equation. As it is you have to implement the condition. Sum means addition, difference means subtraction. When difference they will say, that time one number is bigger, another number is smaller. And from that you have to solve the linear equation and you have to implement the linear equation in day-to-day life. You have to solve this example properly. You have to write this example in the notebook. Thank you.